Good afternoon. I want to talk to you about a specific program that we put together for our channel partners, but also the partners that are willing to become a Huawei partner can make use of this specific program as well. If you have any questions regarding this presentation, please reach out to me. These are my contact details. Send me an email, text me, call me, and I will be there to help you guys. So why did we put this program together? We see that a lot of customers are struggling with their legacy hardware. They want to replace it. They have partners like you that can provide them with a lot of services and migrate the entire environment to a new environment. But we want to make it a little bit different. So we want to make sure that you will earn a lot of money as well. So all the services that I'm talking to you about today is totally for free, so free of charge. So you can make use of that. You can sell that towards your customers if you like. And otherwise, you can use it as an extra discount and be very aggressive in your offering. This is not only replacing legacy hardware. It's also the environment. If it doesn't really meet their current, the customer environment, the customer needs, we can replace that as well. Or even if it's not really performing that well, we can replace that hardware and use this program to be of significant benefit to you guys. So a very aggressive offering. So low cost. Initial costs are very low because of all the services that are totally for free. So no professional services up front and not at the end. So this is exclusive offering for you. What we also provide you with is a DNA report. So from the beginning until the end, we will monitor everything what we do, and we will put a report together that shows the current environment of the customer. So we know exactly where they are today and where they need to move on to. With that and the end-to-end services that we offer, we're not only providing you the installation, racking and stacking and the migration, we can also make sure that while we're doing the migration and the current infrastructure is running out of maintenance, that we have a partner that can take care of that as well. So we can offer you that specific service on the maintenance of that current infrastructure, also for free. The end of X means that we can replace an entire set of different vendors. So it's not only end of service or end of support, but also maybe end of performance. We can replace NetApp, we can replace Dell EMC seamlessly, so on the fly, so without any downtime. You see here that in the graphs, the initial buy for the customer is pretty competitive towards all the other vendors in the market. And at the end, we have a new service coming up in the near future that is ever new, and that will make sure that the customer is always running on a very recent platform with all the new features that are needed for their business. So what is it in benefit to you guys? So this is an exclusive partner offering. We will not communicate this with the end customer, so you can make profit out of this. It is an indirect sales model, so that means that we will not communicate in any way with the customer directly. You will always be involved from the beginning of the process until the end of the process. And what we also do is we put a responsibility matrix together, and we will discuss who is exactly doing what during that process. So if you want to do the migration all by yourself, because you have a very good relationship with the customer, we will make sure that we will send someone over and install, so racking and stacking, and installing our hardware. And then we will do it together, or we put someone on site together with you and perform the migration together. So that is something that we can discuss during the process. If you are a support partner of Huawei, you can offer co-care. We will provide you with at least 78% extra discount on that service. So that is in profit to you guys as well. Besides that, so upfront discount, you will also get the sales rebates. So what is important? Data is important. So we make sure that the data is always secure. It will not leave the premise of the customer. Besides that, all the services that we provide are very competitive as well. Everything what we do in the SAN infrastructure is seamless. So it doesn't require any downtime of the current environment, and the customer can always run their business as needed. Besides that, we will have a full coverage of all the servers from our perspective, and we can add services from you as a partner. So we can collaborate on that specific part. Besides that, we have intelligent and efficient migration. That means that we have tools, smart IDC tools, that we use specifically for the migration. When we have done the migration, for instance, for the first time together, we will provide you with those tools as well, and you can use that for the next migrations in the near future. So this is a specific SAN environment. We're going to replace the existing hardware with Huawei hardware. Well, if the customer is using VMware, for instance, we can use vMotion to migrate the data from A to B. If that is not the case, we can do it on a physical level as well. So what we do, we implement and deploy our storage infrastructure in the current environment of the customer. Then we will unmap the LANs from the existing one and map it to the new system. Then afterwards, we will migrate the data from the existing hardware to the new hardware seamlessly. So without any downtime, the customer can always run their business. So that is one of the things that we want to do. We use our smart IDC tools for that and plan it from A to B and script it if necessary, and then we can do the migration fully automated. It's quite easy and easy to use for you guys as well in the near future. So this is a migration of a NAS environment. So what we do basically here is we provide the customer with the free services, of course. So we do the racking and the stacking on site. When that is done, we can do during the pandemic, for instance, we can do the migration online. So it's file-based, so it's not it's not really necessary to do that online and seamlessly. So we have a little downtime there, but then we will do the migration for you. So again, this program, together with all the services that we provide our partners, I'm sure that we can do a lot of business together, and you can earn a lot of money with it as well. So if you have any questions regarding this program, please contact me, as I showed you my contact details. So please come to me and ask any questions, and maybe we can do some pilots as well together and figure out if this is the best program for you guys. So thank you a lot for your time, and enjoy the Partner Summit.